Alright, so we're going to do a quick video here because the garbage disposal got a little bit clogged. And so this is not going to work for everybody because everybody has a different plumbing system, but this is how it works for us. So in this one, what we need to do is unscrew a bunch of these. This one here and this one here. They actually go in opposite directions, as you can see. That's how you loosen them up. In this particular case, you don't want to move this one. This one has actually been glued into place. And if you do, you're just going to break it. So, not that one. This one, on the other hand, we can turn. And then you're going to need a screwdriver to help with these two here. Unscrew this one and this one as well. Alright, now this is the weak point here, so it's a good idea to have some paper under there just to catch any water. But anyway, this is the weak point, and so you start unscrewing from here so that you don't break anything else while you do stuff. And sometimes you're going to get junk in there, and you can clean that out. And then also this part here comes out pretty easily, and usually you'll get junk in there. But most of the problems usually happen at this point here where all the water is coming out of, so in here. And the best way to get rid of that is to have a snake tool. It's a smart idea to grab some of that junk by hand. There we go. And then we'll insert the snake. Snake tools, handy, and what you've got to do is you've got to push it in there as far as you can go, and then loosen that and bring it closer, and then put in it. If you can't push too hard, you don't want it to break any of the stuff. Just do your best turn, and hopefully something will come loose in there. So, now watch out for the other side of the snake. When you do that, hopefully you'll be able to grab some junk. And this will take a while, but eventually you'll grab some good junk and it will come out. And then you keep repeating the process until the problem is resolved.